I'm Herb from On The Clock, and welcome back to our Tips and Tricks video series. In today's episode, we're going to walk you through how to set up a fixed schedule in your On The Clock account. Fixed schedules are a great solution if you have employees who work the same hours on a consistent basis. Instead of building out the same shifts every week, you can create a reusable schedule that saves you time and helps keep your team organized. In just a few clicks, you'll be able to assign shifts, manage breaks, and even automate punch reminders. So, go ahead and log into your On The Clock account and follow along as we show you how to quickly and easily create fixed schedules.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a fixed schedule for your On The Clock account. Fixed schedules are a wonderful option if you have employees who are working the same shifts every single week. So go ahead and get logged into your account. You'll first want to start by going to the schedule icon up top and choose the fixed schedule option. From here, go ahead and click Add Schedule. It's going to ask you to name the schedule and then select how many breaks you would like listed for the schedule. You have the option for none or 1 through 3. Now you'll want to go ahead and specify the in and out times for your schedule. Once you have filled out your start and end times for your schedule, go ahead and come down to section 3 to select the employees. You can choose all and new existing, or you can also say you only want some employees applied to this schedule. If you say only some, you can go ahead and pick from your employee list here. If you do only some, go ahead and pick which employees you would like to apply this schedule to. You also have the option for a punch reminder for the employees to send them a reminder to clock in and out. Go ahead and press Save Schedule. Now that you have added your fixed schedule, you can go ahead and edit it at any time if needed. Something else to know with this fixed schedule, you have a couple of different options to make this a little bit more flexible to your specific needs. You can notice here that we have a punch in out option for the break as well as the date end time. You can select this to be manual or auto, so the employee could be auto punched out if you would like. And then you can also choose for the employee break if you would like that break to be paid out or not. We also give you the ability to choose to pay some of that time out as well. And then last but not least, you'll notice we have an out hours here. You could fill out a number of hours that you would like the employee to be punched out after instead of doing an out time. So for example, if I would prefer on Mondays for my employees to be punched out after 9 hours of work, I can go ahead and enter that instead of the end time of 5 o'clock. And that's it. If you have any other questions, please feel free to live chat with us or send an email to us at support@ontheclock.com.